Gas fees are the costs you pay to execute transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. Think of them as the price of using Ethereum's network. Every time you send Ether, swap tokens, or interact with a smart contract, you need to pay gas fees. Understanding how these fees work is essential for anyone using Ethereum. Gas is the unit of computation on Ethereum. It measures how much work the network needs to do to process your transaction. Simple operations require less gas, while complex operations need more. Gas isn't a currency itself, but rather a way to measure computational effort. Every operation on Ethereum, from basic transfers to complex smart contract executions, consumes a specific amount of gas. The best way to understand gas is through a simple analogy. Just like a car needs gasoline to travel from one place to another, an Ethereum transaction needs gas to move from your wallet to its destination. The more complex the journey or transaction, the more fuel or gas you'll need. This analogy helps explain why different types of transactions cost different amounts. Not all Ethereum transactions are created equal. A simple transfer of Ether from one wallet to another uses exactly 21,000 gas. Swapping tokens on a decentralized exchange requires around 100,000 gas because it's more complex. Deploying a new smart contract can cost 500,000 gas or more. Minting an NFT typically uses around 50,000 gas. The complexity of the operation directly determines the gas cost. Calculating your total gas fee is straightforward. The gas fee equals gas used multiplied by gas price. Gas used is the amount of computational work required for your transaction. Gas price is how much you're willing to pay per unit of gas. Multiply these two numbers together, and you get your total transaction fee. This formula is the foundation of understanding Ethereum costs. Gas price is measured in a unit called Gwei. 1 Gwei equals 0.0000000001 Ether. It's a tiny fraction that makes pricing more manageable. Unlike gas used, which is fixed for each operation, gas price is dynamic. It changes constantly based on network demand. When many people want to transact, gas prices go up. During quiet periods, prices drop significantly. Let's walk through a real example. Say you're sending Ether to a friend, which uses 21,000 gas. The current gas price is 50 Gwei. Multiply 21,000 by 50, and you get 1,050,000 Gwei. Converting to Ether, that's 0.00105 Ether. At current prices, you can quickly estimate what you'll pay for any transaction using this formula. Ethereum Improvement Proposal 1559 introduced priority fees to make gas prices more predictable. You can now choose between 3 priority levels. Low priority means slower confirmation, but lower cost. Medium priority offers standard speed at a moderate price. High priority gives you fast confirmation by paying miners extra to prioritize your transaction. This system gives users more control over speed versus cost. There are several strategies to reduce your gas costs. First, transact during off-peak hours when network demand is lower, typically on weekends or late at night. Second, batch multiple transactions together when possible to save on overhead costs. Third, consider using Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum or Optimism, which offer much lower fees. Finally, if you're a developer, optimize your smart contracts to use less gas. These simple strategies can save you significant money over time. Here's what you need to remember. Gas fees aren't just arbitrary charges, they serve a critical purpose. They ensure network security by making spam attacks expensive. They compensate validators for processing your transactions and maintaining the blockchain. While fees can seem high at times, they're the cost of using a secure, decentralized network. Understanding gas fees helps you make smarter decisions about when and how to transact on Ethereum.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.